floor to the bottom and further down. The entire building shakes as it's pulled apart in two halves. Right in front of you, Dr. Glass, you stand on one of the hemispheres, you and Trevor, across from Esper in the stairwell. And looking down, through the fissure, meeting your eye if you look upward, is this man.
She gives him a polite little wave. And she says to Trevor, "Get the fuck out of here as fast as you can."